How does animal ethics relate to environmental ethics? Have you ever thought about how our treatment of animals connects to the health of our planet? Animal ethics and environmental ethics are two important areas of moral philosophy that help us understand our responsibilities toward non-human life. While they both care about living beings, they focus on different aspects, leading to both overlaps and tensions. Animal ethics is all about individual sentient animals. It emphasizes their ability to feel pain and joy. This perspective argues that the interests of individual animals matter. For example, avoiding harm to animals is seen as a moral obligation. This often leads to opposition against practices that cause suffering to individual animals, regardless of any potential ecological benefits. On the other hand, environmental ethics takes a broader view. It looks at the moral value of entire ecosystems, species, and biodiversity. This approach prioritizes the health and stability of natural systems. Sometimes, it may justify harming individual animals if it benefits the larger ecological community. For instance, environmental ethicists might support culling invasive species to protect native ecosystems. The relationship between animal ethics and environmental ethics is complex. Animal ethics focuses on individual animals and their capacity to suffer, while environmental ethics looks at the bigger picture of ecological health. This difference can lead to conflicts. For example, animal ethics may oppose killing invasive animals, while environmental ethics may see it as necessary for ecosystem balance. Some philosophers suggest a middle ground. They propose recognizing both individual animals and ecological wholes as morally significant. This balanced approach considers the welfare of individual animals while also respecting the integrity of ecosystems. In practical terms, this relationship influences policies on wildlife management, conservation, and animal welfare laws. By integrating both perspectives, we can make more nuanced decisions that consider the well-being of individual animals alongside the health of ecosystems. For example, environmental ethics can guide animal rights laws by highlighting the importance of protecting habitats that animals need to survive. Meanwhile, animal ethics can remind us to avoid unnecessary harm to sentient beings within those ecosystems. In essence, animal ethics and environmental ethics are connected through their concern for non-human life. However, they differ in focus. Understanding this relationship helps us balance our moral concern for individual animals with respect for natural ecological processes. This balance leads to ethical frameworks that address both animal welfare and environmental sustainability.